Hey, I'm Adie and I'll just be talking you through my nighttime skincare routine. So I'm just gonna take my makeup off now. I like to use a really deep cleanse just to remove all like the grime and makeup from the day. Okay, so this is my skin all clean and clear now. As you can see, I've got a couple of bits of scarring on my cheeks. I occasionally get hormonal breakouts, and as you can see, this one on my lip is coming up so strong at the moment. So my skin's been a little bit up and down for the past 4 years, but I feel like now with the products I'm using, I'm finally in a place where it's feeling really good. Okay, so I know eye cream isn't like acne fighting, but thanks Dad, I get really bad dark circles, so I'm gonna use a little bit of eye cream. This is my serum. I have been using this product for about the past 7 months. It is amazing. It helps to clear up texture, it clears my scarring, it kind of treats the breakouts, I guess, in any stage. I've just seen such an improvement going from kind of like a full face of cystic acne to where I'm at now has been so amazing. I cannot live without it. I like to layer a little bit of a vitamin C booster on top of my serum. This one in particular helps just to brighten up the redness and helps to take away scarring, and I find that it really dramatically reduces the size of my pores. Despite having more of an acne-prone skin type, I am really dry, so I like to go in with a bit more of like a luscious and, moisturizing cream on top just to lock all of my serums in. This one also has the added benefit of a bit more vitamin C, so I'm doubling down on my brightness and it leaves me looking really glowy and fresh. This little device is amazing. It is an LED light that helps to kind of penetrate really deep down into the pimple and kill off any bacteria. I feel like it just clears my breakouts so much quicker, especially when you get pesky hormonal ones. And I like just using it when I'm watching TV. It's really fuss-free. Now, just to finish everything off and, to be a little bit extra, I'm just gonna spray a bit of a face mist on. It just feels amazing, really, and it smells so good as well. And that's it, done.